Over the years, the cost of home ownership has increased, and obviously the cost of repairs and maintenance is no exception to this. So let's talk about Canada's Greener Homes initiative that provides people with interest-free loans as well as non-repayable grants to make their houses more energy efficient. In doing so, you might be able to take advantage of these programs to not only lower your energy bill, but also increase the value of your home. Now, there are 7 different eligible retrofits that you can apply for in this initiative, and you can even apply for more than one. But the government's intent, no matter which one you pick or which ones you pick, is that it makes your home more energy efficient. The eligible retrofits are home insulation, where you can upgrade your eligible attic, cathedral ceiling, flat roof, exterior wall, exposed flooring, basement and crawl space. Air sealing, where you can perform air sealing to improve the air tightness of your home to achieve the air change rate target. Windows and doors, where you can replace your doors, windows, or sliding glass doors with Energy Star certified models. Thermostat, where you can add a smart thermostat to help improve your comfort and save money on your energy bill. Space and water heating, where you can try to reduce your carbon footprint and save on your monthly utility bill by making the switch to more energy efficient space heating or water heating equipment. Renewable energy, where you can install solar panels to support your electricity consumption. And then there's resiliency measures, where in their words, you implement measures to protect your home and family from environmental damages. And this particular one has to be used in combination with some other eligible retrofit. This program does vary from province to province, but the main goal here is that your home becomes more energy efficient. So much so that some of the grants and some of the money that you're going to receive is directly proportional to how much more energy efficient your home has become. And that right there is a very important point regarding this project. This project is very clear that if you want any of the non-repayment grants or any of the interest-free loans, that you follow their very specific process. As a result of this application process, you're going to have 2 different home evaluations that you're going to have to do. A pre-EnerGuide home evaluations, which costs about $500 to $600, and a post-EnerGuide home evaluation, which costs about $300 to $400. Essentially, what they're trying to measure is just how energy efficient was your home prior to those eligible retrofits, and now how energy efficient is your home now that you've done those renovations. And like I said, there is a cost to get those evaluations done, but you can apply to get as much as $600 of those granted back to you during the application process. You know what else you can do? You can make sure that you don't miss out on important information just like this by liking this video, hitting the subscribe button, and hitting the bell notification so that you're alerted when new videos come out. And it means that more people get the benefit of seeing my content, so I would appreciate it. Now, before you run out and start your home renovation project, there's a few more things that you're going to need to know, particularly since not everybody is going to be eligible for the grant. For starters, you can't be eligible for the grant if you're a landlord trying to improve a rental property. This has to be done on a primary residence, which also means that you can't be a renter. You need to own the property that you're trying to do these eligible retrofits for. It's also important to note that you can't do these renovations prior to moving into the home that you plan to make your primary residence. At the time of the application, you need to be living in the home that you're planning on retrofitting. You also can't be modifying a home that was just built. If the home is less than 6 months old, you'll have to wait until it is at least 6 months old in order to apply for the program. And last but definitely not least, do not start your application process for this program during or after you have completed the home renovations projects. It can only be done before you've started the renovations. And that should be obvious because, like I said before, they need to do the pre-home EnerGuide home evaluation in order to accurately measure what the home was like prior to the start of those renovations. Another important note about this initiative is that once you've started your renovation project, let's say you're trying to repair your windows and doors, you cannot go willy-nilly and buy whatever windows and doors that you want. They have to be supplied by a Canadian company, and they have to fall within a certain list of acceptable products. The specific door and window that you're looking to install is not on their product list, then it won't be eligible for the purpose of the application. For more information on this, and of course to get a link to the application, make sure you check out the description of this video.